Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to change iMessage from email to phone number on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open settings, and now from here you have to scroll it down and look here for iMessages option. Here it is guys, and here is the option send and receive. If you have given email here, just simply tap on this. Now as you can see guys, your phone number and here is your email address. If you want to change it, then what you need to do is just simply check on your phone number. Okay guys, so it will take some time to connect this one. If you want to turn it off again and try to use your email address for iMessage, just simply tap on this. As you can see guys, let's check on this, just simply check on this, and if you want to remove it, then you can remove from here like this. Okay guys, like this. So this is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.